This is an interactive video, so click on the buttons at any time for more information.
Hi, I'm Inish Agarwal, and I'm studying economics at UCL. Exams, you might love or hate them, but being prepared for them is an essential part of student life. Most UCL exams are held off campus at the ExCeL Centre.
ExCeL London is a super modern conference centre in London's Docklands. It's in Zone 3, and you get to it on the DLR or a short walk from Canning Town, which is on the Jubilee line. The DLR connects to the London Underground, and there are several ways to get there. Check out our extra film or use the TfL website to plan your route. Allow plenty of time to get to ExCeL, and always give yourself at least 30 minutes to find your exam hall. The signage is really good, but it is a big place. The exam rooms are bright, calm, and air-conditioned.
Here at the ExCeL Centre, there are plenty of places to eat, lots of seating, first aid facilities on site, and a prayer room.
As it's a big site, you need to know well in advance where your exams are taking place. Make sure you know your seat number on the day, as many exam rooms are very large and you may have a different seat number for each of your exams. Please always check your exam timetable.
So let's get exam ready. Remember, plan your route before you leave the house, know your seat number before you get to ExCeL, and get to ExCeL in plenty of time. You want to be here at least 30 minutes before your exam.
Visit the current students page on the UCL website and search for exams. There, you'll find more information on seating zones and hall numbers at the ExCeL.